Hello everyone, and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's crucial for many of us who lead busy lives: healthy habits for busy people and time-saving tips for your well-being. In our fast-paced world, it can often feel challenging to prioritize health and wellness. But with a bit of planning and some smart strategies, you can incorporate healthy habits into your daily routine without feeling overwhelmed. So, settle in, get comfortable, and let's explore this in depth. When it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, the biggest challenge for many people is finding the time. Whether you're juggling work, family, or other commitments, it can often feel like there aren't enough hours in the day to focus on your well-being. But the truth is, even small changes can make a big difference, and the key is to find ways to integrate these changes into your routine in a way that feels manageable. One of the most effective ways to start is by prioritizing your time. Take a look at your daily schedule and identify where you can carve out some time for yourself. It might be as simple as waking up 15 minutes earlier or using your lunch break to take a walk. The important thing is to be intentional about making time for your health. Meal prepping is a fantastic time-saving strategy that can help you eat healthier, even when you're short on time. By preparing your meals in advance, you can ensure that you have nutritious options available throughout the week. Start by planning your meals for the week, then dedicate a few hours on the weekend to cook and portion out your meals. This way, you can avoid the temptation of grabbing unhealthy fast food when you're pressed for time. Another great tip is to keep healthy snacks on hand. When you're busy, it's easy to reach for convenient but often unhealthy snacks. By keeping things like nuts, fruit, and yogurt readily available, you can make healthier choices even when you're on the go. Staying hydrated is another crucial aspect of maintaining your well-being. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and decreased concentration, all of which can make it even harder to stay on top of your busy schedule. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and set reminders to drink water throughout the day. You might also consider incorporating hydrating foods into your diet, such as cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Exercise is another important component of a healthy lifestyle, but finding the time to work out can be challenging. One way to make it easier is to break your workouts into shorter, more manageable sessions. For example, instead of trying to find an hour for the gym, aim for 3 10-minute sessions throughout the day. You might do a quick workout in the morning, take a brisk walk during your lunch break, and do some stretching or yoga in the evening. Remember, any physical activity is better than none, and it all adds up. Incorporating movement into your daily routine is also a great way to stay active without needing to set aside extra time. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park further away from your destination, or do some desk exercises while you're at work. These small changes can help you stay more active throughout the day. Another key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle is managing stress. When you're busy, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, and chronic stress can take a serious toll on your health. Finding ways to manage stress is crucial for your overall well-being. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness can help you stay calm and focused even during busy times. Try to set aside a few minutes each day for relaxation and stress relief. This might be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, doing a short meditation, or spending some time in nature. Sleep is another essential component of a healthy lifestyle, but it's often the first thing to go when we're busy. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene can make a big difference in how you feel and function. Try to stick to a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make your sleep environment as comfortable as possible. Avoid screens and stimulating activities before bed, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Another tip is to practice gratitude. Taking a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for can help shift your focus away from stress and negativity. This simple practice can boost your mood and improve your overall sense of well-being. Social connections are also important for your health. Even when you're busy, try to make time for the people who matter to you. Whether it's a quick phone call, a coffee break with a friend, or a family dinner, these connections can provide support and enhance your sense of well-being. In addition to these strategies, it's important to be kind to yourself. Recognize that it's okay to not be perfect, and that making small, positive changes over time can lead to significant improvements in your health. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and don't be too hard on yourself when things don't go as planned. One effective way to stay on track with your healthy habits is to set realistic goals. Break down your larger health goals into smaller, manageable steps. For example, instead of aiming to lose a large amount of weight quickly, focus on losing a small amount each week. This approach can make your goals feel more attainable and help you stay motivated. Another helpful tip is to track your progress. Keeping a journal or using an app to track your meals, exercise, and other healthy habits can help you stay accountable and see the progress you're making. This can also help you identify patterns and make adjustments as needed. It's also important to make healthy habits enjoyable. Find activities and foods that you genuinely enjoy, so that making healthy choices feels like a reward rather than a chore. Experiment with new recipes, try different forms of exercise, and find ways to make your healthy habits fun and enjoyable. Incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine can also be more manageable if you make them a family affair. Get your family involved in meal prepping, exercise, and other healthy activities. This can help create a supportive environment and make it easier for everyone to stay on track. Another great tip is to take advantage of technology. There are countless apps and online resources available that can help you stay organized and motivated. From meal planning apps to workout videos, these tools can provide support and make it easier to stick to your healthy habits. It's also important to be flexible and adaptable. Life is unpredictable, and there will be times when your schedule doesn't go as planned. Instead of getting discouraged, try to be flexible and find ways to adapt. For example, if you miss a workout, find another way to be active later in the day. If you have to eat out, make the healthiest choices possible. In addition to these tips, it's important to stay informed and educated about health and wellness. Keep up with the latest research and information, and seek out reputable sources of information. This can help you make informed decisions and stay motivated to maintain your healthy habits. Finally, remember that self-care is not selfish. Taking care of yourself is essential for your overall well-being and can help you be more productive and effective in all areas of your life. Make self-care a priority and don't feel guilty about taking time for yourself. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy lifestyle as a busy person is possible with some planning and smart strategies. By prioritizing your time, meal prepping, staying hydrated, incorporating exercise into your routine, managing stress, getting enough sleep, practicing gratitude, staying connected with loved ones, being kind to yourself, setting realistic goals, tracking your progress, making healthy habits enjoyable, involving your family, taking advantage of technology, being flexible, staying informed, and prioritizing self-care, you can create a healthier, more balanced life. Thank you for joining me today on Banana Life. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you feel inspired to incorporate more healthy habits into your busy life. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference, and it's never too late to start. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Together, we can create a healthier, happier world.